Hi guys, welcome to the Plerdy YouTube channel. My name is Marta, I'm marketing manager, and in this video I will tell you how to analyze data from Google Search Console in your Plerdy account. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our next videos. So Google Search Console is a free, powerful Google reporting tool that helps you analyze website metrics and integrating Google Search Console with Plerdy can make this power even bigger and help you dig deeper and get more useful insights. So let's go step by step. The first part would be to complete the integration. We need to open our Plerdy account, go to SEO Checker tab, and open SEO settings. Here we will see Google Search Console API, and on this page, we have a detailed instructions with screenshots, which explains how to integrate Google Search Console. Basically, you just need to take this email address and add it to your Google Search Console account. This is super easy, and I'm sure you won't have any difficulties with it. So basically, after a successful integration, we can open Google Search Console tab, and we will be able to see here a data about our performance on search results. The first tab is query. Here we see all of the queries for a specific page on our website. And what's interesting here in Google Search Console, you can see only up to 1,000 queries per each page URL. In Plerdy, you will be able to see all of the queries, even if there were more than 1,000 of them. Then we move to page. On this tab, we see our URLs, and for each of the URL, we can check very helpful and interesting report, which is called present in Google Search Console and absent on the page. In this report, we see the words in black and in red. Words in black are the words that we have on our website, and the words in red are what we are missing, are the words that were in a search queries, but those words are not added on our website. Basically, in most cases, you will have more black words, but this is a test account, so we're missing a lot of words, as you see. So analyzing this report should give you an understanding of what words can be added to your website. Always double check the words because there can be some mistakes, and always try to pay attention to the relevance of this word to your website. But basically, it can help you increase the amount of unique keywords on your website and improve your LSI, Latent Semantic Indexing. So basically, this is the most important information you can get from Google Search Console report. I hope this video was helpful and you will check out other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching till the end. Take care. Bye.